Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix LoadLibrary failed with error 126 on your Windows 11 computer. If you are getting the LoadLibrary failed with error 126 message, the problem can be related to missing or corrupted Microsoft Visual C++ runtime files. So repairing the Visual C++ redistributable can help fix the issue. First, open Microsoft Edge or any other web browser on your Windows 11 computer. Now search for Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and press enter. From the search results, open the Microsoft link for the latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads. Once the page opens, scroll down until you find the latest supported Visual C++ redistributable section. Now find the x64 version and click on the download link corresponding to it. Once the file is downloaded, open it to start the setup. Here, if you see the repair option, click on repair and wait for the process to complete. Once the repair is finished, try opening the program again and check if the LoadLibrary failed with error 126 issue has been resolved. That's it. Repairing the Visual C++ redistributable should help fix this error on your Windows 11 computer. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.